チームです。やった。放送は再び安全になりました。
Sorry, there is some technical difficulties. Please wait until this channel is fixed.
This is the emergency alert system. We suspected there's a weird creature. It has a white pupil and orange eye dot and has one eye and is smiling period. It's glowing orange. The creature's name is E22. It's faster and it could kill you. The creature has entered many counties such as Ohio, Maryland, Massachusetts, Georgia, South Carolina, Texas, Arizona, Arkansas, Idaho, Illinois, Vermont, and Utah. If a loved one who died in these counties, the counties you are safe in, Tennessee, Delaware, Alaska, Kentucky, etc. The entity who visited is the first is Washington. Good afternoon and have a nice day.